How to quickly minimize all windows except the active one. If your desktop screen has gotten too crowded with open windows, you can quickly minimize them all except the one you are currently working in. Just click the title bar of the window you want to remain open to select it. Then, hold the mouse down and move the window back and forth quickly, shaking it, essentially. After a couple of quick shakes, all other open windows will minimize, leaving only the one you've shaken open. You can use the same trick for Google Chrome to minimize the all tabs except the one on which you are working. Thank you for being with us. Subscribe to Amazing Tech for latest amazing technologies tutorials.